Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm here at Doroteo Jose station in Santa Cruz, Manila. And I'm going to ride a train via LRT 1 towards Edsa, the intersection of Taft Avenue and Edsa in Pasay City. The current fare is 20 pesos. Please join with me guys and enjoy the beautiful scenery along the way. Okay guys, let's go! Guys, sa mga di pa nakakaalam, ang LRT 1 at LRT 2 ay may connecting footbridge siya. In particular dito sa Doroteo Jose at Recto Station. At no need na bumaba sa ground kung kayo ay mag-connecting trip. At very convenient na ang biyahe within Metro Manila. Sa loob ng train at mga stations ay mahigpit na ipinatutupad ang social distancing at pagsuot ng face mask at face shield. At bawal din makipag-usap sa kapwa pasahero or sa phone while aboard. At meron na ring passenger information system powered by LCD screens installed near the ceiling of the train that shows news, advertisements, current train location, arrivals, and station layouts are already installed in the trains. So napakalaking tulong ito guys, lalong-lalo sa mga pasahero na hindi pa kabisado ang place. Based on my experience guys, ang sarap na sumakay ng LRT or MRT ngayon. Kasi most of the time makakaupo ka na at hindi na siksikan at mabilis na ang biyahe. At ang laki na ng improvements ng ating mga public transports. For your information guys, as per Department of Transportation, the LRT Line 1 would be extended from Parañaque southwards, connecting Las Piñas and Bacoor to the Mega Manila Railway Network. Civil works on the extension began on May 7, 2019, after the right-of-way acquisitions was cleared. The extension project also features the construction of 3 intermodal facilities, 1 satellite depot located at Zapote, and mass upgrades to the existing Baclaran depot. The project is expected to cater more than 800,000 passengers daily once completed. The Line 1 South Extension project will consist of the following 8 stations. In Parañaque, we have 5, namely Redemptorist, Manila International Airport, Asia World, Ninoy Aquino, Dr. Santos Corner C5 Extension, and we have 1 in Las Piñas City. We have 2 in Bacoor, Cavite, namely Zapote along the boundaries of Bacoor and Las Piñas, and the last one is Niog or Niog. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. Keep safe everyone.